So MHE is relative to other diseases that we study, is a bit more complex because the defect, the basic defect in MHE, which is the deficiency in this polysaccharide called heparan sulfate.
At this point, I've had about 30 surgeries, and the frequency of the surgeries ranged. So when I was younger, it started off pretty fast, 2 to 3 to 4 surgeries per year sometimes. And then around 15 years old, when I was diagnosed with cancer, I had 3 surgeries in a 6-month span, ranging from just traditional tumor removals on my legs, arms, anywhere, to an external fixator, which is something that's put on limbs or bones that are stopped growing. And back in the 2nd grade, my left arm stopped growing, so we had to put this big contraption on here, the screw sticking out, and 3 times a day my mom would have to come to school, or I'd have to find where my mom is, and she'd have to turn the screws.
Hi, we're the O'Briens, and this is Dawson. Dawson is 3.5 years old, and he was diagnosed with MHE on his 3rd birthday, January 2016. Orthopedic surgery is really the only way we can treat this condition. Hopefully in his lifetime we'll see some sort of treatment option other than surgery, or even a preventive way to make sure that he doesn't pass this on to his kids.
I believe by now we have tested about 1,000 different drugs, which is a lot of drugs. and it appears that one of them, at least in a test tube, is doing exactly what we were hoping for. Okay, so we have to move ahead, but we are in a very, how should I say, speculative phase of our research. But these are the new ideas. These are the innovative ideas, the ones that really can make a huge difference in the long run. In this particular case, we were able to begin this process, which we just started in the last year and a half, with some help from MHE Foundation. This is just an example of what can actually occur when modest amount of money is provided